Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out federal tax withholding. First, you'll need a current Form W-4 from your employer or the IRS website. This form helps your employer deduct the correct amount of federal income tax from your pay. Accurate withholding prevents a large tax bill or an excessively large refund at tax time. Let's walk through each section to ensure your form is completed correctly and efficiently. Start by filling in your personal information in Step 1. This includes your name, address, and social security number. Next, select your filing status in Step 2, single, married, filing jointly, or head of household. Your filing status significantly impacts your tax liability, so choose the one that accurately reflects your situation. Double-check all details for accuracy before moving on. In Step 3, you can account for dependents. If your total income is under $200,000 for single filers or $400,000 for married filing jointly, multiply the number of qualifying children by $200,000 and other dependents by $500. Step 4 allows for other adjustments. This includes other income not from jobs, itemized deductions, or extra withholding you want taken out. Before submitting, thoroughly review every section of your Form W-4 to ensure all information is accurate and complete. An error could lead to incorrect tax withholding. Once you are confident, sign and date the form. Then, submit it to your employer's payroll department. Remember, you can update your W-4 anytime your financial situation changes. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.